Salam. Today, we will be studying Chapter 3, 3.3, Class 11 Statistics, according to PTB syllabus. Today's lesson is all about geometric mean. The geometric mean is defined as the nth root of product of n positive numbers. It is abbreviated as g.m. It is appropriate for averaging rates and ratios. There are different but similar formulas of ungrouped and grouped data. For ungrouped data, if we use n positive numbers y1, y2 till yn, then geometric mean is calculated by g.m equals to n under root y1 multiply y2 till yn. Now if we remove the under root, then we do the number of observations to the power of 1 over n. Now take log on both sides. So according to the rules of logarithm, the value in the power multiplies as a whole, and if two values are multiplying under the rule of logarithm, they are added. So, it's log g.m equals to 1 over n brackets log y1 plus log y2 plus till log yn. In the next step we summarize all the log sum of observations as summation log y. Now as we are finding the geometric mean alone, we move the log on the left side to the right side of equality, which makes it antilog. So the final formula we get is geometric mean is equal to antilog whole bracket 1 over n summation log y. Students, you can use any of these formulas to find the geometric mean according to your requirements. Note: this measure is useful when dealing with relative values, i.e. to find average of percentage changes, independent ratios and index numbers for grouped data. The formula is g.m equals to n under root y1 multiply y2 till yn raised to the power of their respectively frequencies. Here the n is equal to summation of f. As we did before, when we remove the under root, we raise the whole expression to the power of 1 over n. Now we take log on both sides, which makes it log g.m equal to 1 over n brackets f1 log y1 plus f2 log y2 till plus fk log yn. All the sums are converted into summation f log y, and thus the final formula of geometric mean for grouped data is ant log whole brackets 1 over n sigma f log y. I hope you understood the concept. Now here is an easy real-life example of geometric mean. Suppose a car made a round trip from city A to city B. Going from A to B, the average speed was 60 km per hour, and from B to A the speed was 90 km per hour. To find the GM, we apply the simple geometric mean formula. G equals to square root 60 multiply 90, which are the speeds of the car during the round trip. This equals to square root 5400, and thus the geometric mean of this whole trip approximately is 73.5 km per hour. Next, let's see the properties of geometric mean. First, if there are k sets, each with observations n1, n2 till nk and g1, g2 till gk as their geometric means. Then the combined gm of total observations is g.m, which means combined equals to antilog summation n log g over summation n. Next is if there are two sets of each consisting of n positive observations y1, y2 till yn with geometric mean g1, and x1, x2 till xn with geometric mean g2. Then gmg of the ratio of z equals to y over x is the ratio of their geometric means. IA, g equals to g1 over g2. Here's a little derivation to make it more understandable. Here, instead of taking only y1 multiply y2 till yn, we take y1 over x1 multiply y2 over x2 till yn over xn, as we are taking two geometric mean together, all raised to the power 1 over n. Next we treat the numerator and denominator separately and with the PWER raised to 1 over n. So these become two separate geometric means named as g1 and g2, so that's why the gm of two sets of observation equals to g1 over g2. Moving on to the last two and most important topics of geometric mean, the merits and demerits of geometric mean. First, the merits or advantages of geometric mean are: first, it is rigidly defined by mathematical formula. It is based on all the observations. It is capable of mathematical development. And lastly, it is less affected by extreme values. Now the demerits of geometric mean are: number 1. It becomes 0 if any observation is 0. And number 2. It is sensible only for positive values and it becomes imaginary for negative values. That's all. Don't forget to subscribe.